Alright, so this is the Master Lock 150 3D. Here's the packaging. And it's a level 6. You can see there. Level 6. And here is the combination 10, 13, 30. So I'm going to do 3 spins right, so I'm going to go 1, 2. On the third one, we're going to stop on 10. So it's the third spin right now. On 10. Next is just 16. So there's 16. You're going to pass it and stop on it again. 16. Then we're going to go to 30. So go right 30. All the way to 30. There you go. It's that simple. That's the Master Lock. Very nicely well built. There's the model number on the back, 0619M. Very nice. Very nice look. And then I'm going to show the ABUS. The ABUS packaging is right here. That's the ABUS packaging right here. You can see. ABUS Security Tech Germany. Patented. And that was from looking. Everything on the back. 3-digit code, hardened steel shackle. Shackle diameter 1.7 millimeters. 1.7 millimeters. Well, it's the same as this one. Hardened steel shackle. Shackle is at 7 millimeters. Yeah. Same thickness shackle. So, go that way. So then we have the combination. But that's the when you get a Master Lock. It's stuck on the back of the lock. Alright. And then this is the one you get with the ABUS. So I just put the letters there. 30 right, 13 left, 34 right. So same thing with the Master Lock, 3 times on the third, stop on the first digit. So 1, 2, and 3. 34, 33. And go past 13 left. There's 13. Go right. 13. And then we'll go 34 right. And there you go. I ordered this one on eBay and this one on Amazon. If you notice, this one has a little, I can show it on camera there, you can see a little groove in it, in the shackle. There's a little piece that sticks out to make it anti-shim. There you go. There's a nice ABUS lock. It's actually heavier than the Master Lock. It's somewhat heavier than the Master Lock, so there's 2 of them side by side. I think the ABUS looks nicer. ABUS has a nicer paint job. I actually have 2 more of these coming. I have a vintage one of these coming. I have another one of these locks coming with which has a key as well. So when they come, I'll do a video with those 2 then. So here goes, there's 2 of them side by side. Enjoy. And also, these you won't find these type of locks in Ireland, as far as I know. I don't think you can. I think you can only really find, they're only really used in America. Well, this is German, so I want to say this is used in Germany. But there you go. The most common lock in America used on school lockers. Enjoy. Ava's a master. Two nice locks. Good. There's the back of the Ava's. Very nice. There's the back of the master. Very nice. Alright. There you go, my friends. Enjoy.